Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a text with a background image. So let's start coding. To start with the HTML, I have already added here the Google font that I'll be using for the text. And for the body, I only need to add an h1 tag. And that's what we only need for the HTML. Let's now move on to the CSS. For the next minutes, I'll be adding the CSS to the elements. There, and that's how easy it is to create the image as background of the text. And that ends this tutorial. Thanks for watching.